I'm really excited about today because I get to show you a feature I know a lot of you have been waiting for, export to Excel. The feature is finally ready and it's been implemented in version 7, so let me show you how it works. Select the visual, go to the format pane, and now you can see as the second option, download as Excel file. If you toggle that on, you'll see a download icon in the bottom right corner. Now if I click on the button itself, I get this pop-up dialog saying download. Click that, and then the hard part, choose a file name. So let's do demo export and save. Then if I go and find that file, demo export, and I open that, then everything is there. Header colors, the header size, you have conditional formatting. I've highlighted one in yellow, and that's also in Excel. My operating margin is shown as a percentage, both in Power BI and Excel. It's keeping all the decimals of the cell itself, even though you'd only display one decimal in Power BI. For the purpose of this video, I've added a conditional formatting saying that all my sales accounts should be green, while all my cost accounts should be orange. Just to show you that that formatting is also being exported over to Excel. We have more improvements and bug fixes that you can read about in the description down below. And if you want to get notified next time we make a video, please subscribe to somewhere here.